Let's DIY a fun wreath for St. Patrick's Day. I'm using one of the 15-inch wreath forms from the Dollar Tree, the metal wreath forms, some of their burlap, some of their felt garland. I actually got that in the party aisle at Dollar Tree, and some of their shamrocks for St. Patrick's Day. I know they don't have a big selection of craft supplies, but they have enough where you can make some really cute decor. I start by attaching their burlap roll to the metal wreath form, and I'm simply going to wrap it around. Just a dot of hot glue will hold that into place, and I just make sure to overlap. This is going to give me a great burlap wreath that I can decorate with some bright colors for St. Patrick's Day. This is about how far one of the rolls go. It's not quite large enough. But that's okay. I can start and stop here. Just making sure that my seam is on the back where you're not going to be able to see it. And then just continue on until I have the entire wreath covered. Just some hot glue here on the back of the burlap, and this wreath is ready to decorate. I love using burlap. I think it's a really fun backdrop. For the garland, I want to make a little mini banner to go across the top. And I found this great felt garland at the Dollar Tree that has all of these rainbow colors in it. It's just a little bit too big for what I need. I want a little mini banner. So I'm just going to cut the corners off. Down here, I already have two sides of my triangle cut, and it makes it easy to measure these and cut these down to size. I'm just using the last one for a reference so I can make sure they're all cut the same size. And I just want to use regular rainbow colors. The only thing I'm not using in there is the pink, I believe, and I don't really have enough room there for the purple. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and I'm just going to use some twine, hot gluing the little pennant banners on to make an easy little pennant. The rainbow really screams St. Patrick's Day, and I think it looks really cute. I want to drape it on one side of the wreath form for a little bit of rainbow decor, and I think that looks pretty good. I want to offset it to the side, kind of like this. It's super lightweight, so a little bit of hot glue here on the twine, overlapping it on the back should do the trick. And then, of course, I want some shamrocks on there for St. Patrick's Day. I picked up some of these from the Dollar Tree. And since I did that on the top left corner, I'll be attaching these on the bottom right corner opposite. And I'm just attaching them with hot glue. They're pretty lightweight, easy to do. Just putting a little cluster of them over here. They have these with or without the glitter. I usually try to get them without the glitter, but sometimes you don't have a choice. Either way, they're really cute. And I'm just adding enough until I'm happy with it. I really want lots of shamrocks on there for St. Patrick's Day. And this was such an easy wreath to make for St. Patrick's Day. I really love how it turned out. I didn't need to make a hanger on the back. I can just use the wreath form like that. And if you'd like more St. Patrick's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach.